Hello everyone, this is Shanu Bhatia from Gossip Funda. Today I am going to make a video on the topic analysis of 4TB SSD. 4TB SSD is an advanced model of HDD where you can store your data safely, and it also makes the laptop faster and smooth. In our daily life, we are coming across different devices and remarkable technologies. The technology is also increasing at a faster rate. Ultimately, the pressure on per person is also increasing due to workload. But people have a different brilliant brain. There are many inventions and discoveries which are taking place for many decades. The inventors have changed the way people and society thinks. The world is turning towards professional sociopath life. Next is problems of CPU. At previous times, there was a problem with using heavy applications or multiple applications at the same time in a laptop. This led to several issues in the computer, including slow speed, inconvenience, suddenly everything hanging up, and more problems. If you are running multiple apps at the same time, then the performance of CPU also decreases. When the power drops, the CPU will try to run all the apps with the same energy to maintain the regular cycle. For this, it will take more control and ultimately it will draw heat from other surroundings. Then the laptop will start heating. Solution. So you are a programmer who loves to do coding on cross-environment platforms. Are you a computer geek who loves spending time on gaining pieces of knowledge by using laptops? Then you will need a high-end laptop or a laptop with some awesome integrations. This will lead to the smooth and efficient performance of a laptop. Role of SSD. 4TB SSD is capable of storing various types of data. It can also read and write data and can also correctly keep the arranged stored data without even power supply. Internal 4TB SSD connects to a computer like any other drive and start functioning using a proper IDE. While we can say that SSD and HDD are same, but they are different when we compare the internal parts of them. The first can be the moving parts, which are not in 4TB SSD like any HDD drive. They always remain in a solid state to give more power and energy. SSD does not promote any spinning movement, so they do not need to move their drive to other paths to access data. But SSD falls behind with this. Next is flash memory of 4TB SSD. It is like a delete option that we are using for clearing data which is unnecessary or erasable. The 4TB SSD uses the mind to clear the data which it stores for starting up the laptop. In simple terms, it always explains the BIOS data when the startup screen appears, thereby increasing the speed. Next is disadvantages of 4TB SSD. The first one will be the price factor, which can be the main factor of discussion among beginners or ordinary developers. As SSD is providing some world-class services, it also wants to extract that much from customers. Here we can say that the price of 4TB SSD is higher than that of a traditional HDD technology. So the models of SSD have smaller capacities than HDD. Different models of 4TB SSD. First one is Sabrent Rocket model. Next is Samsung model. Last but not the least, conclusion. So we can say that although SSD price of some branded models have a higher rate, then they can be used for industries. But for ordinary users, there are models like Samsung and SanDisk models which also provide equal storage but at lower price. But if you want to have the fastest data storage, then you can opt for external 4TB SSD which has an added transferring process. So SSD is really solving the process of data storage and faster booting up screen in the low and as well as high end laptops. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, subscribe and share my channel, and don't forget to write your valuable comment in the comment box. Thank you everyone.